How to promote Etsy shop with Facebook ads. So this pretty much works best when you send shoppers from Meta Ads Manager to either a specific Etsy listing on your shop page. So you're gonna have to go to your business suite or directly into your ads manager, and then once you're there, you can go ahead and start by creating yourself a new ad campaign. So once you do that, you can choose a option, either maybe traffic or sales. Then once you choose from the two, traffic or sales, so you can take a look at what they're good for, which are link clicks, which should technically bring you or bring them, I mean, to your Etsy shop, or sales, which of course is what you're doing since you're doing sales on your Etsy. But again, just go ahead and choose whichever. And then you can enter your campaign name, or you could do a manual traffic campaign. You could do recommended settings, but in our case, we're gonna choose the manual traffic campaign. We're gonna go ahead and choose the name as we mentioned. So let's just go ahead and type that. And then from there, you could set your daily budget. You can define your audience by location and those sort, but you're gonna have to choose the conversion, which is going to be website. Once you're done with the other setup or the other details, I mean like choosing your placements, creating your ad using strong product photos and a short headline, you can then add your Etsy listing or shop URL as the destination. So that's going to be done here on the new traffic ad. You can scroll down to your destination. You can choose instant experience, but since we're gonna let them lead to your website link or your listing, you can go ahead here, choose the website, and then just paste in your listing URL over here. You can have a display link and some browser add-ons if you'd like. But once you've done that, you could choose a call to action like shop now. You could review everything over here, and then you can just go ahead and click on publish once everything is done. After the ad does start running, you can monitor performance back directly in your ads manager and compare it with your Etsy shop. So those stats in your Etsy shop, so you can pause weak ads and keep the ones getting clicks or sales. But that is the general idea on how you could promote your Etsy shop with Facebook ads. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.